This is our code on air quality prediction. So in this code, first we are mounting our Google Drive. Then we are importing all the libraries which we are used like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and the algorithms we are using here, random forest and XRT classifier. So all the libraries we are importing. Then by the help of Pandas, we are just reading the data set and rename one column which is AQI bucket with the air quality and showing the 5 rows of the data set by using head function. Then checking the shape of data, and this is the information of the data set. Then we are checking the null values present or not in the data set, so you can see. Then we deal with null values. So we are filling null values by using backward filling method and forward filling method in the column in which the null value is present. Then again we are showing the 5 rows of the data set and checking the null values. So here you can see there is no null values present in the data. Then we have performed some EDA on the data set. So first EDA we have plotted for top 10 cities with the highest PM 2.5. Then so first plot we have plot here which is the pie chart. So pie chart which is showing the top 10 cities with the highest PM 2.5. Then we have plot the line graph for top 10 cities with respect to PM10. These are some of the features in the data set: PM10, PM2.5. Then we have dropped two columns. One is the date and the second is Jylin column. After dropping the column, we have checked the shape of data again. Then we have again print the info function to check the information of the data set. Then we have counting the values in the air quality column, which is my target column. So here you can see we have just 6 classes. One is moderate, second satisfactory, poor, very poor, good, average. So this is the count for we have count the value in air quality column. Then we are showing here prediction for the one city which is the Bangalore. So for Bangalore city we are just extracting the data set, and for Bangalore city I have checked the shape again. So we have total number of records in Bangalore city and total number of columns. Then again showing 5 rows of the data set, and so in the data set we have performed the heat map. So this is the heat map graph and this is the box plot graph. In the data set we have just applied IQR method for outlier removal. So after outlier I am just printing the shape again, and here I am just making the count plot graph for the air quality column of Bangalore city. Then apply the label encoding on the air quality column in which categorical values are present. So after applying the label encoding, it converts the categorical into numeric form. Then I am defining my x and y variable, and for feature importance I am just applying the XRT classifier algorithm, and these are the features by using the bar graph I am showing here. So here you can see this is the feature importance graph by using XRT classifier. So based on that features I am just dropping the column which is the tolerance, which is not too much important. Then I am again defining my x and y variable, which is my target and independent variable. So you can see my target variable is air quality. Then I have data split again. Then I am splitting my data set into two parts. One is training and testing. The training part we have taken here 80%, and the 20% part we have taken for the testing. Then we have applied the algorithm which is the random forest classifier. So based on that algorithm we are just calculating all these parameters like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. So here you can see for the Bangalore city the prediction is almost 93%, and the rest of the parameters. So this is the task on this is the first implementation on Bangalore city. You have to your task is for two cities. One is the Delhi city, Hyderabad city. Okay, so just extracting the data, and based on data just apply the algorithm and see whatever the results we are getting. So that's all.